All right, guys, I'm going to do a couple of these questions with you and then have you practice some more on your own. I'm going to take a look at number 2. It says, the Great Pyramid of Giza was constructed as a regular pyramid with a square base. All right? It was built with an approximate volume of 2,592,276 cubic meters and a height of 146.5 meters. What was the length of one side of its base? All right. Now, this was a Regents question. Now, this is a pyramid. So volume equals BH over 3. All right. And if you look at my pyramid, 1/3 BH. That's our formula. All right. Remember, B is the area of the base. So when I go to do this, I'm going to be missing the area because they gave us the volume and they gave us the height. All right, I'm going to work to the side here. So I'm going to plug in 2,592,276 in for the volume equals the area of the base times the height, which they told us was 146.5 over 3. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel out the 3. So I'm going to cross multiply. All right, so I'm going to do 2,592,276 times 3. And that's going to give me 7776828. So what is this? 7,776,828. All right, and that equals 146.5 B, right? And what I'm going to do is divide 146.5. And that's going to give me the area of the base. Which is 53,084. Now, they want to know what is the length of one side. Remember, it's a square base, so the sides are the same. So basically, if I do the square root of this answer, that'll give me the side, which is approximately 230. All right? Choice 4. All right, so it shouldn't be too bad of a question, but it can be kind of tricky. All right, I'm going to have you try some of these on your own. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do number 5 with you. All right, and you're going to see other questions like this during the week. All right, it says Teresa has a rectangular pool that's 30 feet long, 15 feet wide, and 4 feet deep. Teresa fills her pool using city water at a rate of $3.95 per 100 gallons. All right. Nancy has a circular pool with a diameter of 24 and a depth of 4 feet. She fills a pool with a delivery surface at a rate of $200 per 600 gallons. All right. If Teresa and Nancy both fill their pool 6 inches from the top, determine and state who paid more to fill their pool. And then they give you a conversion. All right, so we're going to do a side-by-side thing. First of all, they say 6 inches from the top, which is half a foot. So they're only going to fill it 3.5 feet. All right? All right, so I'm going to do Teresa. So the volume of her pool is 30 times 15 times 4. I'm going to get that volume. I'm sorry, 30 times 15 times 3.5 because it's filled 6 inches from the top or half a foot from the top. 30 times 15 times 3.5. All right, and that's going to give us 1,575 feet cubed. All right, I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to do the other person here. Nancy has a circular pool with a diameter of 24 feet. So you know if the diameter is 24, then your radius is 12. All right, so we're going to do Nancy's pool. She has a depth of 4 feet, but remember, they're not filling it all the way. So it's going to be pi r squared h. Pi times 12 to the second times the height but keep in mind your height's 3.5 because you're not filling it all the way up. All right, pi times 12 squared times 3.5. All right, the volume of her pool is 1,583. Let's just go to the nearest feet cubed. All right, now is where, all right, we're going to start doing some conversions. All right, now we got to convert to gallons. All right, because everything's based per gallon. It says $200 per 6,000 gallons, 3.95 per 100 gallons. So we got to convert to gallons. All right. I got feet cubed on the top. I need feet cubed on the bottom. So I got to do 1575 feet cubed times, okay, 7.48 gallons per foot cubed. Because I got to cancel out feet cubed. And now this is going to give me the number of gallons. So I'm going to take my 1575 times 7.48, and that's going to give me the number of gallons, 11,781 gallons. I got to do the same thing for the circular pool, right? I'm going to do 1583 feet cubed times 7.48 gallons per foot cubed, and that's going to give me the volume in gallons. All right, 1583 times 7.48, and that gives me 11,000. Let's say 841 gallons to the nearest gallon. All right, and now we're going to find the cost. All right. And again, this is like another conversion. $3.95 per 100 gallons. All right, per 100 gallons. So now we're going to do 11,781 gallons times $3.95 per 100 gallons. And look at what's going to happen. Gallons are going to cancel, leaving me with just money. So I'm going to do 11,781 times 3.95, but it's not per gallon, it's per 100 gallons. So we got to divide by this 100 here. And that's going to give us $465.35. We're going to do the same thing here. 11,841 gallons. But this time it's $200 per 6,000 gallons. So times 200 per 6,000 gallons. And again, gallons are going to cancel. So 11,841 times 200 divided by 6,000. And that gives us $394.70. So it said, who paid more? So this one paid more. Teresa paid more. So somewhere you're right. Teresa paid more. All right? All righty, guys. Have a good one. Try the rest of these questions. I'm going to post solutions.